Hey guys, welcome to the apocalypse. Shit's kind of crazy right now, and I kind of want to bring you some good news that's kind of related to what's going on in the world right now. If you head over to the Reaper website right now, you'll see this white banner at the top that says, if you're working remotely and or social distancing and would like to use Reaper at home, you can download a temporary Reaper license. And we can just click that, and this is the temporary license file. This is good through to the end of June. And so if you are worried about working from home for whatever reason, you want to use Reaper and you don't have a license yet, they're offering this license that expires on July 1st. And yeah, it's just a little bit less stress for you if you are suddenly having to work from home. And that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to say in this video. Just wanted to get that info out there. Wash your hands, stay safe. Don't do any hoarding so that someone goes without. It's really not cool. And if you have some extra disposable income, send it to the people that are really struggling right now. There's a lot of people that could use the help if you have any extra money. Independent musicians, for example, small businesses, that sort of thing. And yeah. See you guys later.